What does corridor mean? Corridor means a long passage inside a building that connects rooms. In simple words, a corridor is a hallway. A corridor allows people to move from one room to another. You usually see corridors in schools, hospitals, offices, hotels, and large houses. For example, the students walk through the corridor to reach their classroom. Corridors are often narrow and have doors on both sides. They help organize the layout of a building and make movement easier. The word corridor can also be used in a broader meaning. It can describe a narrow area of land that connects two larger areas. For example, the country created a trade corridor to connect two cities. In transportation, a corridor can refer to a main route used for travel, such as a railway corridor or highway corridor. In business and politics, corridor discussions mean informal talks that happen outside official meetings. Here are some example sentences. The hospital corridor was very busy. They waited in the corridor before the interview. The economic corridor improved trade between regions. In simple terms, corridor means a long passage that connects spaces. Easy way to remember. Corridor means hallway.